This is Shawn from Be Your Own Nerd. A few weeks ago, I created a video on how to upgrade your old computer hardware to Windows 11, and a few viewers reached out in the comments and told me as of December 5th, 2024, the method that I described previously is no longer working. But I'm going to show you how to fix that. It's a simple fix. It seems like Microsoft has changed the location to download the Windows 11 ISO files, which you will need to upgrade your old computer hardware to Windows 11, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So the issue we're having is Flyby 11 version 0.16 contains an old script which reaches out to the Microsoft servers and downloads the latest version of Windows for you. For some reason on Thursday, December 5th, Microsoft changed the download location of these Windows 11 ISO files. So the issue is not in the Flyby 11 executable file itself. It's in a supporting script that Flyby 11 uses. And this script is called the Fido script. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when the issue is happening. So if you are using Flyby 11 and you hit start, the Fido script is going to load. You're going to hit continue, your version of Windows 11, the edition. And right here, you're going to see error. The remote server returned an error 502 bad gateway. And the reason it's doing this is because this URL here has changed. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem right now. So back on the Flyby 11 website, which is located at github.com/builtbybell/flyby11. If you scroll down here, there's going to be a link to the Fido script. And once again, the Fido script is the issue we are having. So you're going to click on this link. And here's the Fido script GitHub. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and you can see the releases, Fido 1.64. When you are watching this video, it could be a different version, but you at least want version 1.64, which has the fix. What you're going to do is you're going to click here. You're going to come over here and you're going to download the fido.ps1.lzma. So right now I'm using the Arc browser, so I'm going to click on it to download. My download is up here. If you're using Firefox or Chrome or Edge or any other browser, it's most likely going to be in the upper right corner when you download. So, but here's the issue. Windows built-in zip extracting ability does not handle the LZMA file extension. You're going to need a software utility called 7-zip. So I'm going to show you how to install that now as well. And what you want to do is you want to go to 7-zip.org. Do not download 7-zip from any other location. You want to get it from 7-zip.org. And if you already have 7-zip installed on your system, you can skip this step. But if you do not have it installed, what you want to do is you want to click the download. It's going to download 7-zip. Remember, if you're on Edge, Chrome, or any other browser, it's going to be in the upper right corner. Since I am on the Arc browser, it's in the upper left corner. I'm going to click on it to install it. Here it is in my downloads folder. I'm going to double click it. I'm going to answer yes. I'm going to click install. I'm going to click close. And once 7-zip is installed, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard. Windows key and the letter E. That's going to open up this window. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click downloads. You're going to want to look for the fido.ps1.lzma file that we downloaded in the previous step. You're going to right click on it with your mouse. You're going to select 7-zip, open archive, and then left click. And once that's open, I'm just going to go ahead and move this over. But once that's open, you're going to left click and hold on this file, and you're going to drag and drop it into the upgrader folder. Let go of your left mouse button. It's going to ask you if you want to replace it. Yes, you want to replace this file. If you don't replace it, it's not going to fix the issue. Go ahead and click replace. It's going to copy the new file. I'm going to go ahead and close this window. I'm going to close the downloads window. And now what we're going to do is we're going to try it again. So we're going to go to Flyby 11. We're going to answer yes. We're going to say we want method 1. These are all the same steps in my previous video. We're going to hit start. We're going to pick Windows 11, the latest version, the latest edition. Some of you have also commented on the video that when you get to the part where it asks you if you want to keep your current files, settings, and apps, that part will be grayed out. And the reason for that is you are leaving the language set to English International. If your Windows 10 is set to English, what you want to do is you want to pick English United States. And then that will fix the issue where that option is grayed out, and you should be able to toggle it to keep your current settings, apps, documents, etc. So once you do that, go ahead and hit continue. Architecture, you're going to leave the same, and then you're going to click download. Your browser will open up. Once again, I'm using the Arc browser. You can see here in the upper left corner, the Arc browser is downloading my file. If you're using Firefox, Chrome, Edge, or any other browser, it most likely will be in the right-hand corner of your browser. Once again, since I'm using the Arc browser, it's going to download in the left corner of the window. So as you can see here, the file is now downloaded successfully. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the Arc browser. I'm going to click OK to this prompt. Flyby 11 is going to ask me to select the ISO to mount. There's the ISO it just downloaded. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click open. Now it's going to run the setup. And then you're ready to go. So please refer back to my previous Windows 11 upgrade video on the next steps that you need to do to complete the upgrade process, because this video was only intended to show you how to update the Fido script so you could still continue to download the latest Windows 11 ISO from the Microsoft download servers. And one other thing that I wish I would have mentioned in the previous video is please make sure you do an image backup, not just a file-based backup, but also do an image backup of your drive before you upgrade, just in case something happens and the upgrade doesn't work. If you don't know how to do that, please reach out to me in the comments, and I will also make a future video on how to image your system. So that way, if something happens, you can just roll back to the previous image, and then you're back to the point you were before you started the upgrade. Once again, this is Shawn from Be Your Own Nerd. You can reach out to me on my website at BeYourOwnNerd.com. I also have a free weekly tech newsletter that I send out every Tuesday morning. It's totally free. Thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a great tech day.